Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming to my channel, try to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new content, and try to share this network to your friends so that YouTube will push you to a high level of audience. Right now, I'm introducing you to Deriv binary option rise for drop dollar cost $1 made to $11,000 plus and 14 trading store now. Okay, now what is it? I want to go straight to show you everything right here. I don't want to waste time. See, these are the topics. There are about 11 videos in this playlist. So this is not in my public channel. This is a private channel. It's a private YouTube channel. If you really want to get access to this course, a lot of people have lost money. So I look at it and I say, no, why? Why? I hate seeing people poor. So I want to change you people life, like you trader that have given up or lost a lot. So that's why I designed this course right now. To have access to this private YouTube channel, all you need to do is to enroll with $200. Very soon, the cost of enrolling will go to as high as $1,000 because I know a lot of people would like to have access to this course. The course is not on a free YouTube channel, it's locked up. If you want to have access to it, like if you want to get the videos and the ebook, that because there are two material to succeed in this trading style, this binary option trading. You have to get the ebook, and then you have to watch the videos. Each topic has a video. Okay. So once you pay your $200 on Telegram, you have to chat me on Telegram. I will send you payment details, whether Bitcoin or bank account. Once you make a payment, you are going to have access. I will send you the link to this playlist, and then I will also give you the ebook. Once your payment is confirmed, your life will change. That is it. I guarantee you, after you read and watch all the videos, if you read the book and watch all the videos, I guarantee you that you will make more than millions of dollars with this course. A course of $200 will help you to make millions of dollars. Why are you wasting your energy losing when you have to get the knowledge first? You lost $1,000, you lost $5,000, you lost $10,000. You even lost $1 million and millions of dollars, and you lost a lot of money. 1%, investment of 1% of all your losses or all your would-be losses, the losses that will come in future. If you invest 1% to get the knowledge of doing the right thing, your life will change. Starting rolling right now. Bye for now.